Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to display a PDF directly inside your Notion workspace, maybe it's a syllabus for a class, a report for work, or even a scanned recipe you always use, today's tutorial is going to walk you through exactly how to embed that PDF right onto your Notion page so you and your collaborators can access it anytime, anywhere, without hunting around for the original file. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently upload and embed PDFs into Notion, making your workspaces more dynamic and organized. So let's dive straight in. First, make sure you've opened up your Notion workspace and navigated to the page where you want your PDF to appear. This might sound basic, but being on the correct page sets you up for a smooth process, sort of like clearing off the kitchen counter before starting a new recipe. If you're creating a brand new page just for this document, go ahead and do that now. Otherwise, just click into the page you're already working on. Now, here's where the magic happens. In Notion, little commands called /commands let you add all sorts of content quickly. To embed your PDF, simply type a / the R symbol on a new line. You'll notice a menu pops up with lots of options. Start typing Embed, and you'll see an option that says Embed. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is tell Notion you want to add some external content, like a video, a web page, or, in this case, a PDF. Once you select Embed, Notion will prompt you to either paste a link or upload a file. To keep your PDF safely inside your Notion workspace and accessible to anyone sharing the page, choose the Upload option, and then just select your PDF file from your computer. This might take a few moments, especially if your document is a little on the large side, so don't worry if you see a loading spinner for a bit. Once it's done, your PDF will appear right there on the page, fully viewable and even scrollable, so you can reference it anytime you need. Now, Notion actually gives you a second way to do this. And in some cases, you might find it simpler. Instead of using Embed, you can type File. This command is made specifically for uploading files like PDFs, images, or even Word documents. So, on a fresh line, type File, select the File option, and then upload your PDF. Notion will display your document as an attached file block. Your users can click to preview or download it. If you want to keep your page looking clean and organized, you can even drag this file block wherever you like, such as just below a meeting agenda or nested beneath a project description. It's all about what works best for your workflow, and that's really all there is to it. You've now embedded your PDF into Notion. Whether you use the embed block for an in-page preview or the file upload for a clickable attachment, you've got instant access to your documents, all in one central place. This simple workflow can save you so much time, especially if you regularly work with invoices, reports, or resources you reference often. And remember, any changes you make, say, moving the embedded file, adding comments, or even sharing the page with your team, will update in real time for everyone with access. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and let me know what other Notion tips you want to see. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.